Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Print PDF not working on Windows 10, Microsoft Print PDF driver missing. First, what we're going to do is to search for Windows features. To do that, click on the search icon right beside the Start or Windows icon and type in Windows features. Now this option should pop up. Click on Turn Windows features on or off. From here, we look for Microsoft Print PDF. We scroll through this list. And there it is. If it is already checked, you can uncheck it, click on OK, and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check this one again, click on OK, and restart the computer once again, and see if the Microsoft Print PDF is now working. If that does not work, what we're going to do next is to search for print and click on printers and scanners. From here, make sure that Microsoft Print PDF is your default printer. For the next step, we right-click on the Start icon and click on Run. We type in services.msc from here. Once you have typed that in, click on OK, and this window should pop up. We select any service from the list and type P on your keyboard. From here, we look for Print Spooler, and there it is on the list. We right-click on it and click on Properties. For the startup type, it should be automatic or automatic delayed, like the one I have right here. And click on Apply and click on OK. If you see that the status is not running for Print Spooler, you can right-click on it and you should be able to click on Start to have it running on your computer. Once you have done that, reboot your computer and try to print again. The next step, if not working, would be you have to search for Control and open up the Control panel. From here, you can view by large or small icons to see the whole list, like that, and click on Device and Printers. Right there. Make sure that there is a Microsoft Print to PDF on this list and make sure that it is set to default. If it is not on the list, we can add a printer by clicking on the Add a Printer option at the top part of this window. Once you're here, click on the printer that I want isn't listed. And we select the Add a Local Printer or Network Printer with manual settings from these options. Click on Next, and we use an existing port. We can use any printer port. I'm just going to use LPT1 and click on Next. From here, you select Microsoft and Print to PDF should be on this list. If it's not showing on the list, you can click on Windows Update right here. Wait for a few minutes for your Windows to be updated. Restart your computer, then follow the same steps of adding the printer if it is not on the list. Once added, make it a default and it should now work. And that is how you can basically fix Microsoft Print to PDF not working on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.